Got a 2019 Honda Pilot. I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance, the oil life. Currently, this car, it says maintenance past due, 791 miles. If you want to reset that, going right here and using your steering wheel and going through this menu here, it's not going to reset through here. Okay, so don't even try. You're going to go over to your radio, and right here with this radio, you're going to go to settings. And then you're looking for vehicle. You're going to go down to where it says maintenance information, and right here is where you're going to reset the oil life. Okay, alright, everything's good. Go back. Alright, now it shows oil life reset. And then back here you can actually go down, and if we go into maintenance, I'll show you that the oil life's 100% now. And that's pretty much it. Thank you. Have a great day.